Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from the bargain bead box for May 2022 called Mayflowers. This was such a pretty box. I loved it. It had a very romantic feeling to it. I guess is the best way to describe it for me. So here I ended up making, I loved these pretty beads and I wanted to mix them in with the pink and everything, and I wanted to just make a really pretty feminine memory wire bracelet. And I used 2 of the flower beads with this, and then I put the little green crystal bicones to kind of make it look like the stem of a flower. So I had that one, and then I had this one. And then I just took a couple of these, and I did add a couple of my own, I mixed a little rose gold in with it. It's like a muted rose gold. It's not really bright. And then I mixed my little, a few of my seed beads in there, and those are the little rose gold ones in there. Let me see, and I did put this in there. This one was mine too. I think this was from the past box. And then I had a few of these copper pieces, but you know, I always like to mix things up. So I was really happy with the way this thing turned out, that it's very pretty. It's just got a very romantic feeling to it. So the next one I made, here's the earrings. I thought these turned out really cute. So I have these, and then I also made this necklace to go with it. So I have, yeah, there's the little toggle clasp. I will put a bust up, or I have pictures up, I think at the front and the end of this video. So I just took some beading wire, and I just made 3 little dangles hanging from that. And I loved this little leaf and these. Again, I used a little bit of the rose gold right here, just a teeny bit, and a few of my little spacer beads right there, because like I said, I always love to add a little something. But yeah, I thought this box was really pretty. So there's this one right here. If you can kind of see it up close. Yeah, and see I put a little, just a little 11 my Miyuki bead in between them. And then a few of these right here. So I have this, and then these earrings, very lightweight, very pretty. And I did copper ear wires for them. And then for the third one, I made these little dangles right here. So I have those right here. And then I made this, let me bring this up so it's in camera. I made this little one right here. So I used these 2 purple flowers, and I kind of tried to make it look like the stem of a flower again. And then this one tried to make this look like a little stem, but with the actual copper leaf bead. I thought that was kind of cute. So I did all this, and then I just attached them all. So yeah, I really liked these, and the toggle clasps were really pretty in this. So yeah, I was very happy with this box. I thought it was very pretty. I love the mixture of the beads. And it was funny because, you know, even though they kind of didn't go together, they did. You know, it was one of those boxes where, you know, if you maybe add a few other tiny little elements to it, you know, you can really make them blend. So yeah, so this is everything that I made from the bargain bead box for the May of 2022. I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments how you liked this month's box if you get it. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also don't forget to subscribe. My links below for Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are below. And I also have a link to the bargain bead box as well. So I thank you for watching my videos and following me. I really appreciate it. And I have lots more to come. So lots more tutorials coming up and everything. So hope you stay tuned. So thank you again and see you soon in my next video. Have a great day.